Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorials. So our topic today is all about gas and vapor power cycle. And here is our sample problem. An ideal Otto cycle has a compression ratio of 10.5, takes in air at 90 kilopascals and 40 degrees Celsius, and is repeated 2,500 times per minute using constant specific heat at a room temperature. Determine the thermal efficiency of this cycle and the rate of heat input if the cycle is to produce 90 kilowatts of power. So first, we are asked to determine the thermal efficiency. So thermal efficiency is equal to 1 minus 1 all over the compression ratio raised to the specific heat minus 1. So putting our values here, 1 minus 1 over our compression ratio, 10.5 times the specific heat constant, 1.4 minus 1. So we have our thermal efficiency 0.6096, and converting it into percent, we have 61%, rounding off that 609.06096 answer. So next, we are asked to find the rate of heat. So rate of heat is equal to work net over the thermal efficiency. So 90 kilowatt over 0.6096, and we have our final answer here for the rate of heat, 148 kilowatts.